2 chain, 1, 2, 2 single crochet into 2 chain space here, 1, 2, a single crochet top of this double crochet, 3 single crochet into 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet top of this single crochet, 3 single crochet into next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet top of this single crochet. Now 3 single crochet into 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, totally 14 single crochet here. Now here we want to make 2 front post double crochet around the first, leave 1, 2 front post, leave 1, 2 front post, chain 1, leave 1 and a front post. So like this, 2 front posts around the first, 1 and 2, leave 1 and we go for next here, 1 and 2, leave 1 and we go for next, 1 and 2. Now chain 1, a front post double crochet into this one, so leave 1 and here 1 front post double crochet. Now into chain 1 space we make 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now here we want to make a single crochet behind of this 7 into center here, a single crochet. Now behind of next 7 double crochet we had a single crochet. We make a double crochet here like this, a double crochet into this single crochet, now a half double crochet into same place like this, now a single crochet into here like this, now 4 single crochet into this 4 chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4, a single crochet top of this single crochet, now 4 single crochet into 4 chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now a single crochet top of this single crochet, again 4 single crochet here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we had 3 single crochet, we make single crochet top of each one, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1. So here, from here to here, we made 17 single crochet. Now here we want to make 3 front post double crochet top of second of this tree here. Only here 3 front post double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1, 3 front post double crochet around the second again here in the center, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and continue to here, 3 front post double crochet in the center, 3 front post, 3 front post, 3 front post, 3 front post, and chain 1 between them, 1, 2, 3, chain 1. Now 3 front posts around the second, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 front post double crochet again top of second, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, in the center, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, again in the center, 1, 2, 3 and chain 1, here to here like this. We only work top of center of this 3 and we made 3 plus chain 1. Now here we want to make single crochet top of each of these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet into 4 chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4, a single crochet top of single crochet, 4 single crochet into 4 chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now a single crochet top of single crochet, now 4 single crochet into 4 chain space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now behind of this 7 double crochet I have a single crochet here. I want to make a single crochet into here, then a half double crochet and a double crochet in the same place. Now behind of this 7 in the center I want to make a single crochet like this, and I want to make 7 double crochet into chain 1 space here. Check it carefully here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here leave the first front post, and into next we make a front post double crochet and chain 1, leave 1, and in the second we make 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Again leave 1 here, 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, leave 1, and into second 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Now here into 3 chain space, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet, top of single crochet, 3 single crochet into 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into single crochet, 3 single crochet into 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet, top of this double crochet, 2 single crochet into 2 chain space, 1, 2, and a slip stitch top of first 2 chain. We had 2 chain at the first, 1 and 2 into we make a slip stitch. Round 11 finish.